Yo, what up, ICT fam? I put together a little training drill on TradingView using the bar replay, and I just wanted to go over Wednesday and show you how you can use this tool to help you with execution and stuff that you're looking for. So first of all, I want to go ahead and zoom in on this checklist I have up here. So this is just a picture that I brought onto TradingView, and then it can be left right here when you're trading so that you know you're looking at the correct stuff. So for my ICT checklist, I have what's my higher time frame bias. Well, currently we're in a bullish higher time frame bias. Draw out midnight open. Okay, so we got midnight open right here. Previous day high and low. Here's our previous day high. Previous day low is pretty far down, and we had a huge move up. So I'm not expecting us to completely reverse, as we haven't taken out any higher time frame liquidity. All right, do we have any higher time frame points of interest currently? Yes, we do. This line right here is September highs. So this is a huge draw on liquidity, a big magnet that we're currently near. Was buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity taken? Okay, so we just had buy side liquidity taken, and we have more buy side liquidity above us. So we're just going to note that. If we're looking to take internal liquidity, we're going to be moving away from an order block. External, we're looking for higher time frame swing highs or swing lows. And then as we break away from that area, we're looking for our break of structure plus fair value gap plus displacement for our entries. Okay. We need to use our fib tool and standard deviation. And then where is the next liquidity price likely to go? Okay, well, since we're a bullish higher time frame, price is likely to take out these buy stops set from the day before, and we have a nice draw on our September highs right above us. All right, so I'll go ahead and we'll press play. Speed this up to 1. Okay, so I'm just watching price. Here's midnight open. We break below. All right, take out some sell side liquidity right here from the swing low. Which also matches up with an order block. Okay, London. All right, we have a huge green candle. We have a BPR right here, so we're going to go ahead and mark that. Come on. Okay, now let's pause this. Okay, now we just had London take us up using midnight open almost as a support area right here, and then we come down here and we have this barcode pattern under midnight open. So that's something to note. If you were playing in London, this is right at the open of the New York kill zone. Okay, so it takes us below midnight open. What do we have in this area? We have this order block that's been formed. And so this could be a possible entry with your stops below the order block right here. Okay, we'll continue. I'm just extending out this BPR range all the way across, and we're going to see how this BPR plays out. Nice move up, taking out the previous day high and these highs right here. Okay. So this BPR that we had, price stayed very flat through Asia, comes up into London, but still kind of has this taking out some buy side liquidity and then moving down and then moving below the midnight open. And then what do we see? It takes out these buy stops right here and it takes out the previous day high. Okay, then we have New York open 9:30. So what are we looking for? If our higher time frame is bullish, we are looking for manipulation back down. And what can we look for? Well, where does this BPR, when we extend it, take us to? Okay, we have a 5-minute order block right here. Fib tool. All right. That puts us in optimal trade entry right here between 62 and 79%. We have an order block and this BPR that comes all the way across. We're looking to take profit if we bought multiple cons above here. And then here's our September highs that we just broke. Okay. One contract, $1,700. We have a narrative. We have confluence for why price is going to where it goes. We get to our first target right here. On our fib projection, we have a projection of half a fib and 1 fib, and we'll see where price ends up. If you took multiple cons, you can take partials, take more, hold a runner, and boom. Price hits that and immediately rejects away. We just took a higher time frame buy side liquidity, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with candle bodies going above it now, higher time frame candle bodies going above it, and we get a really nice rejection after taking that buy side liquidity. All right, I hope this little drill was helpful for you. I hope you learned something, and this is something that you can use on your own to study price action and mark off the items on your checklist to make sure that you're hitting all the key points before taking trades and giving context to why you're taking trade setups.